Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are gonna learn how to find a good club in Brawl Stars. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see in the right corner, click on club. Now you will see that Brawl Stars the game is suggesting the best clubs for you. So let's take the top one. So as you can see, there are many pro players here. They have huge number of trophies like this one, the vice president. The thing that you want to keep in mind is that if you want to be a vice president in future in the club, find one that has less vice president. So it has less vice president, like it says 4 to 6, so maybe you can join it, but I would suggest if you find where there is only 1 or 2 vice presidents, join that club, and it will be better if they have required trophies to join. So if it has 0, maybe anybody can join it, so there is no barrier. But if you want a good club, you should find one that has some required trophies. Another thing that you can do is that just type Empire here and search, and you can join any of these clubs. Like say I will see this one. Okay, so this one doesn't have vice president, so you can join this one. It has a lot of trophies. And this one, German Empire. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.